Now I'm at Pacific Ocean Marketplace. It's off of Mississippi and Peoria. And I probably won't give this store due justice because there's just so much in here. But I'm going to pick me up a Dungeness crab today because I feel like splurging. Plus, you know, when I am like at that time of the month, I'll be wanting more food on keto, and I can usually splurge on crawfish and crustaceans, or is that the right word? I don't know, but I'll be getting down on some crab legs and some butter. Let me see. Ooh, my hair's looking crazy. I wonder if I can. I be wanting to stick this phone on stuff because I don't want to hold it. Let's see. No, it won't hold. They got boiled nuts over there. I love their food over here. They got some a pork dish over there with some eggs. It's so good. There's so much here. Lots of seasonings to choose from. And it's early. I mean, for me, it's early. Well, I guess it's early for everybody because still things are kind of closed up. But they have a lot of vegetables and things. And you can get your meat cut the way you want here. See the tilapia, lobster, which I think is a good price. And this is what I came here for. Let's see, what else is on sale? Oysters. Squid is a good one. What else I got? A salmon steak or a salmon steak. Ooh, I think I'm going to do some red snapper too. Catfish is on sale. That's an okay fish, but you know, I just kind of keep to my regular red tilapia. They are busy today. Oh, and you can get your stuff fried. That's how you want it cut. I love this place. I just waiting. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to take this recording off. I'm next. Yeah. I need some red snapper, the one that's on sale. Where is it? Oh, right here. It's red snapper. I need 3 of them. 3 of them, and I need number 2. Thank you. That's a good price. Huh? Number 2? Uh-huh. And then I'm gonna need a Dungeness crab. No fry. Oh, and that's right. You can get it fried here too, and they'll season it for you. That's number 2. This is the next. No, I'll keep it. She just asked me if I want to keep the head of the fish. Now, you know the fish is good. Fish head, you know, is good for making fish broth. If you can get into making your broth, so be it. They are great flavor compared to the ones in the box and the cans. See, they're cleaning over there. They do a good job here. I think it's like, there is like a minimal charge. It's not that much. I want to say it's like on the cents, like less than $1. But they got a good selection here. We got a lot of frozen different fishes here. Teas. Just, like I said, I'm not going to do this place much justice because there's just a lot of stuff in here, and I love it. Shrimp is good here. You can get sardines. I've been actually going here when they were a little shop off of Alameda on the west side. Oh, I want to say about 20 years ago. And as you can see, they have expanded. It was a tiny shop, like it was like a hole in the wall. And they've just gotten ridiculously big. But you'll find all different ethnicities coming here from all over the world. I even saw people that had paint on their face. You know, tribes that, you know, use that as sunscreen and also beauty. But anyway, I'm just rambling on. I should probably stop recording now because it's getting too long. But that's what I'm getting next. Yumma yumma.